Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save game progress of Candy Crush. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on Retrieve My Progress option. Now you can sign up with your email account or Facebook account. In this video, I'm gonna sign in with my email account. So tap on Sign Up with Email option. Here you'll have to enter your email address, your password, your first name and your last name. Here check the given box in order to get emails about new games and offers from King. And if you don't want it, uncheck the box. After you've entered all of your details, click on Create My Account option. And that is how you can save your game progress of Candy Crush game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.